and do this. Use Montel hotwood. Whatever he has, do it. Ha ha! And we're about to hit 500 SP. Many clicks. Search. Here are my stats. 132 or 112. 112 campaign. Total muscle is 223. So what we see, current muscle is 199.1. My health is 186 TD. My balance is 37.28 TD. My side 104.5 TD is 100. I'm gonna play not with the simulator this time. As shall I play Timing Legends with my friend Artisan Blue 2001 and Blue Anthony. Blue Anthony 1000. I think I played this one time. Hi guys. Don't worry, I should come out. There's a soon. Oh yeah, see there we go. It only came out because I said it this time. One K eggs required. How many eggs have I opened? I think I have like an SP rebirths. Just check my pro. S60 rebirths is 21 SP. Hi. Yeah, I'm recording. YouTube. I'm playing a game with my friend. Tapping Legends. I can order one service to that. 11 60 the price. Expensive. So I don't need that open because I have very long. I just bought it.
Simply put, Intel is seeking many partners to pay some of our expansion costs. You don't bring people halfway around the world to visit a zoo. You bring a zoo to them. Mr. Hammond knew this. Before he ever dreamt of an island.
Oh, I can 100 SP reader. Nice. From the
Diego is the perfect site. You could be increasing. Everybody to see businesses in Western.
I'm going to go to spawn to try and find this 15 million egg. Gotta find that reward.
I think I should tell you guys. The pilot told me these people might show up. He did send a backup plan.
What the plan?
Me?
Alright guys. Have enough clicks. Alright, well let's go back to the portal. Alright, let's buy some things for maybe the pet shop. Now there's all Robux, okay.
Who are you?
Where's the shop at now? There used to be like a shop right here. Sitting in the middle of nowhere. Trying to 21 XP at Rebus. No, grinder arrived, no problem. XP, alright, let's go. Alright, let's start opening my ropes so I can trade people. Okay. I don't want commons, so auto delete them. Not rares either. I want rares. Alright, let's start. Like, see, I just don't need it. I just have no. You can tell when it's auto deleted because you say it's auto deleted on the top. I'm literally just wasting my clicks on auto deletes. Alright, let's get out. Where's that? Oh, there it is. Craft all. Yep. Oh, there's my cup. My cursor burger.
What is this to
Cutie. Cutie. Alright, let's get up to the rebirths. Oh, I could get 1 over rebirths. I just get a bit more. I can, so it's 64. Oh, wait, no, I can do this. Oh, at least it got me somewhere. How good is Montreal? Better than me still. We're just about to head up to being able to afford 22.12 SPD, and there it is. Let's go. Alright, let's go to try and find this item shop place where you can buy stuff. So I know it's here, but it's right here. I'm blind, guys. Don't judge. Finding all these 2 times clicks. Like, I can let it. Just go like that. Like that. I don't think I have it up to SPD, so token upgrade. I don't think I have enough in token upgrade. Oh, I have enough of these. Not anymore though. It's okay. And last but not least, the rebirth stage. I think I've maxed everything out here. 5 TD gems. The faster order thing. Look at that. Oh, no more alphabet multiplier. Alright, let's get back to my zone.
Wait! Let me bring it! Let me bring it! Let me bring it! I don't need to cross there at all. Yeah, okay, you took it. What? I took it for a second.
Anyways, I can go down to the O space. There's O. Oh, here it is. I do have enough because I have like oh, it's a bit expensive. It's eating corona. Put them away. It'll tree. Let's stink. Yeah, they do. It's fun. Okay, put your tree there. Alright, so 710. Oh, I got a legendary. Exotic. Give me an exotic. Come on, come on. I'm getting a lot about the middle one here. It's an epic? Okay, it's not that bad. Alright, that's good, that's good. Alright, now let's go back. 200 SPD. Oh, I have not got another goal. Let's go to the thing. Craft. It just freezes for a second, so just gotta wait. Alright, that should be good. Alright, next. No.
Seriously, what are their names, man?
I don't know what are the best now. Oh, damn. Daniel. Damn. No, they're up my legs. That's fine. Alright, then those are the best pets for now. I made them. Ooh, OCD, let's go. How much? Oh god, that's a lot. Alright, let's just open some eggs now. Alright, let's see what we get. Commons. The shovel is probably the best pet out of all. It's not even that. It's literally the most common pet, and it's the best. It's kind of sad. I'm not gonna lie. Ooh, let's ultra click. Yes, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright. Alright, that should be enough for a second. Just let this open this last pack. Damn, sand bucket all. Let's go. Alright, craft it. Just let it take a second. There we go. Damn. See? The worst pet becomes the best pet. It's valuable. It's a valuable lesson, kids. They're commons. They're better than these. Alright, let's go. Find OCD. 10. Yep, let's go 10. That's good. Okay, so I have like 20. I think. I think it just goes. Yeah, it does. Alright, that's okay. Alright. QD. Damn, let's go to the shop. Stand potion. I don't need it, but like, yeah. Alright, I can't get anything there. I don't even know how to.